A lot of you asked me to make a video on my resolution. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. We're filming another vlog. You guys seem to really like my vlogs, so I thought let's do another one. And today it's not gonna be like a study vlog entirely. There will be like studies, of course, because that is what I do, but there's gonna be some other stuff as well in this video because I have a lot to show you. A lot of amazing stuff is happening today. I'm definitely gonna have a haul. I don't know when I'm gonna do it, but of course in this vlog it's gonna be. And I'm also thinking of filming another video today, which is I think I'm gonna film a desk makeover, because you don't even realize the mess you're sitting on right now. It's bad. We need to do a desk makeover. It's crucial at this point, very important. And I hope you all don't mind the lighting, because in the last video a lot of you all said that it's kind of cute, kind of nice. So keeping my heater on, and now I'm about to get started on my studies. My dad, who is home by the way after so long, got me some water from the kitchen, of course. And I'm about to get started on my studies. I'm gonna make a to-do list very quickly. Recently I've been making my to-do list in this. Yeah, this is what I do for my to-do lists lately. Yeah, so let's get started. Let's get to making a to-do list. I found somebody, I say you don't cross my mind. Okay, I'm done making a to-do list. I have 3 things on my list, but those 3 things are big tasks in studying. It looks like not a lot, but it is a lot. So this is I'm not gonna show you this stuff, but this is what it looks like. Yeah, and I'm gonna get started on it right now. So let's not waste any time and get started. Always think about you, but sometimes I do, 'cause sometimes I drive through. Okay, a little pause in study. I just wanted to show you something. My mom got me my coffee. Of course she did. Okay, so my mom cut me off, but I'm back. Yeah, so this is the mug I got yesterday. How cute is this? It's so pretty. It's double walled and it's super lightweight. I'm such a child when it comes to these things. Let's go back to study. I guess the truth is I can't leave memories behind. When she asks about you, I hesitate every time. Every time. I don't always think about you, but sometimes I do, 'cause sometimes I drive through all of the streets we used to on First Avenue, 'cause sometimes I do. Hi guys, so it is much later now. Right now it is 1:37 p.m. I've studied quite a lot. I think it's been 4 or 5 hours, not sure, but yeah, and I'm really tired, so I think I'm gonna take a break and then we're gonna do something interesting. Very interesting. I mean, if you have seen the title of the video, you already know what it is, but I also have a question for you guys. I wanted to ask if you guys would like to see a video in which I explain how I study for such long amount of hours, how I stay focused for 4 or 5 hours, how I do it, how do I not get bored or distracted and stuff. Would you guys want a video on that? Because I think that would be really helpful. So if you guys want a video on that, then just comment down below and let me know. I might film it? Yeah, let me know. Also, I did something. That's what I did. I wrote down my syllabus on paper and then stick it onto my wall. I also highlighted the most important chapters. I mean, if you guys have seen my desk makeover video, you might have already seen that, but yeah, I did that, and I'll see you guys in a little bit. Roll up your sleeves. Look what I have. A parcel from Amazon, of course. I got two. I got these photos that everybody has on their wall, and literally right now we're gonna go and create a photo wall. Let's go. These are, by the way, 100 pictures, and it costed me around 499 rupees, and I got two, so like what, 900 rupees? No, it's 1,000 rupees. What's wrong with me? Okay, let's go. I have 200 pictures. Let's see if these are gonna be enough. Okay, so this is the wall I was talking about. By the way, I showered, that is why I'm in different clothes. I'm gonna remove these leaves and put my photos on it. I hope the photos are gonna be enough, because if not, that would be such a bummer. Yeah. So I'm not gonna waste any time, and let's get started. I'm gonna play some music in my Alexa over there and get started. Like, I have to do this alone. Let's go.
It's been a minute since I've seen you. I've been longing for you. Last time that I saw you was on TV. They were screaming your name. This bed feels so empty when it's just me. I've been lonely, so stay. Laying here with you is like a daydream, so don't wake me.
Okay, so I figured that this is gonna take really long. So I'm gonna see, because I'm already sweating, and I'm gonna see you guys in a little bit. At least when it's halfway done. It's coming
So
together.
better next to you. Don't draw back the curtains, let's just stay here. Hold my body, I'm not ready. Lay with me and kiss me oh so gently. I'm not ready, no, I'm not ready. Oh, I'm not ready yet.
Okay, hi. It's a lot later now. It took me really long to do the wall, but 200 pictures weren't enough. It's not done. It's not done. I'm so pissed. I'm gonna have to order one more pack. These were 200 pictures, and that's all I've gotten. Like, this much is still left, and look at the mess I've made. It does look cute though. Yeah, so basically I'm gonna order more pictures right now, and we will of course complete this in some other vlog. No choice. There's like literally no choice. I'm taking a picture for my thumbnail, potential thumbnail. Yeah, I'm gonna go sleep right now, and I'm gonna continue the vlog tomorrow if that's okay. So yeah, I'll see you tomorrow. Bye bye.
I found somebody, I say you don't cross my mind. And she doesn't know that your favorite place is still mine. Now I take the long way.
Hi guys, good morning. It is the next day, of course, and I just made my to-do list. Just got my coffee. Again, my mom made it for me. So, you know, there are some privileges of being at home. I don't know how I'm gonna do all this in college, like without my mom. I don't know. But before starting my studies, I wanted to talk about my New Year's resolutions. A lot of you asked me to make a video on my New Year's resolutions, but like there are not so many, so like a whole video on that, I don't think, like what, it'll be like 2 minutes long, that's it. So I'm including my resolutions in this vlog. So, okay, so I was saying before someone interrupted me. My first resolution is related to my studies, the thing that I'm studying for. My first resolution is to get in a good college, in a really nice, good college. I am not setting like a really high expectation, but I am trying my best, of course, like hands down my best. So I am hoping for the best as well. So of course we will all see where I end up going, because of course I'll post it over here. I will let you know where I end up going. And yeah, my second year's resolution is related to YouTube, because this is another thing that I really love. I love making videos. I love the whole process of editing and making it completely mine. I don't know if I should say it. I do not care about the numbers. You guys mean the world to me. You guys are not just like numbers. You guys are my YouTube family and you guys mean the world to me. But this year I want to hit 50,000 subscribers, because I've been posting videos for the last 3 years and I've seen progress in the last year, in 2021, and I want to continue posting here. I want to make videos that you guys like. So yeah, that is my YouTube goal. Let's see if that happens, because I do not post regularly. I cannot post regularly and study at the same time. I am giving priority to my studies. And my third goal is related to me. Duh, it's related to my health. In 2021, around October, I guess, I quit junk food. Didn't really like quit it. I still eat it sometimes. You guys might have seen that. But before that, it was really bad. I used to eat junk food every single day. It was getting really rough and not good for my body. So I limited it, and now I eat it only when I feel like it, and not just because, no, I just don't treat it like an emotional food anymore. If this kind of topic triggers you, you can just skip this portion of the video. But yeah, and I've been really liking how I've been lately. So I want to continue that health habit in 2022 as well, like this year as well. And one more health habit that I have incorporated in my life is drinking 3 liters of water. Sometimes I slack on that, I'm not gonna lie, but lately I've been doing good and I really like how it makes me feel. It increases my concentration, I focus better when I drink water. And yeah, and I also have limited my caffeine intake. If you have seen my videos previously, you might know that I used to drink coffee like 3-4 times a day, and now I've just limited it to once a day. Sometimes not even that. If I don't have studies or anything that day, then I will not drink coffee. I drink coffee kind of every day, but like sometimes I skip it. So I'm trying to work on it. Those are my 3 New Year's resolutions and I'm working towards them. All I need is your guys' support. So please just keep supporting me. Subscribe to my channel. And I'm not gonna waste any more time, and we're gonna get to the business over here and get started with today's studying. So let's go. Get started with studying. I'm gonna put my AirPods back in. I'm gonna put my hair back and we're gonna get started.
I've waited for so long for someone to call my own, counting down the days, wiping the tears away. There's nothing I wouldn't do.
at my nanny's house right now. Hello.
Hi. Hi, Roger.
Hello.
Hi,
Sit. Goofy, sit. Goofy, sit. Sit. Goofy, sit. Goofy, sit.
Hello.
Hello.
सुनो कितना प्यारा बेटा राजा बेटा सुनो 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 हाय रोजर हाय
No. Scared of him.
सिट सिट
Good boy, good boy, good boy, good boy, good boy. Hi, 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 hi. Hi. Let's go. Hi guys, it's the next day again. So good morning. I didn't really vlog much yesterday, but we ended up going to my nanny's place. I'm pretty sure you guys saw that footage from there. But yeah, and right now I was just about to get started on my studies for today, and I remembered that I never finished the vlog. So here I am. If you guys enjoyed this video, then like this video and share this video, and comment down below one of your New Year's resolutions. Subscribe to my channel for more content like this, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.